Hey guys, this is Khadeen. You're watching Grow with Khadeen. In this video, you will learn how to create a beautiful lawyer or law firm website using Elementor. So this is the website we are going to build in this video. And if you want to build a website for a lawyer, anything related to law firm, or anything related to attorney, then this tutorial is must for you, because in this video you will learn how to create this type of beautiful website. Here you can see, using Elementor and without any coding knowledge. And before just going to do the overview of this website, I just want to tell you that if you want to win $1,000 worth tools just for free, which are must have website tools, must watch this full video till the end, and everyone watching this video will be able to win those $100,000 worth tools. And those are most important tools for online marketing, digital marketing, to set up your online business. And one more fun fact, that this website is completely built with drag and drop. But these type of websites, because I am a professional web developer, so these type of websites takes about 1 to 2 weeks, as well as $1,000 to $2,000 to be built. But you will build this type of website within about 20 to 30 minutes and without paying anything to the developer. But if you don't have any time, if you don't have time, or you don't want to create it by yourself, what you can do is, the links to contact me are given in description below. You can contact me through Instagram, WhatsApp, or email. And we are also providing digital marketing as well as web design, SEO, social media services, so you can also hire me for. And also that, don't just forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon, because I used to upload latest WordPress digital marketing, web design, and SEO tutorials, as well as latest giveaways, promos, and discounts. And you can get a lot premium stuff just for free. So you must subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon to be updated and stay connected with the digital world and what's happening in digital world, and how you can like run your online business and make money from digital world, or you can say internet. Our private Facebook group, which is right now for free, and till 1,000 members it's just for free. Then it would be premium, where you will get awesome digital marketing, online business, and WordPress support. So you can join that group. Right now it's for free. And also we are providing digital marketing services, which includes web design, SEO, social media, and all that. And if you need any of these services, what you can do is, you can just go to description below. There my WhatsApp, my phone number, my email, my Instagram, as well as Facebook, all the channels are available. So you can just contact me through any means, and I'll just love to help you. Thank you so much. Now let's just come back to the tutorial and start the tutorial. Now, to start creating a website, to create a website, there are two things without which you can never create a website. First thing is domain name, and the second thing is hosting. A lot of you people know about that, but if you don't know about that, what is domain name and hosting, let me just tell you that domain name is the name of the website. Like if you want to go to Facebook, you type in facebook.com. If you want to go to YouTube, you type in youtube.com. That's how, if someone wants to go to your website, he needs the name, the domain, a route to go there, an address to go there, and you have to buy that address. Like my company's name is Khadeen's Law, so I'll just name it khadeenzlaw.com. Okay, but it's about $14 per year, but you will get it for free if you will watch this full video till the end. And what is hosting? Hosting is basically a storage. Like suppose it's a website is a Word document, you add photos, you add text, so you save somewhere on the hard disk. So your website also needs a hard disk, which is 24/7 connected to internet, and which is super fast. That hard disk is provided by a lot of the companies and managed by a lot of the companies. But I would recommend you to go with hostgator.com, because it is the fastest web hosting and cheapest web hosting. Now I am a professional web developer. I have worked with almost all the web hosting companies. A few of them are more cheaper than this web hosting company, but their services are just cheaper, and a lot companies are better than this, but their pricing plans are a lot higher. Now how you can get discount? You will also get 64% discount with HostGator, as well with free domain name. How you can get it? You can just go to link in description below, or just type in webifiedhub.com/HostGator here, and I'll just also tell you about a coupon code with which you can get a special discount. Now their plan is just starting from $75 per month. $2.75 per month and ending at 2.25 $5.25 per month. Now if you will study about their technical things, you will get to know the other companies providing same features, they are offering the same services at about 50, 60 to $70 per month, and this company is just providing it at $5.25 per month. So that's the difference between HostGator and other companies. And if you are looking for something more reliable, more secure and more fast, you can go with bluehost.com, which is starting at $2.95 per month with same plans I will tell you about in this about this web hosting, and with the same process of buying. Okay, and there are three plans. Their first plan is with this plan you have unlimited bandwidth, like unlimited memory, and you can create only single website with that. But this plan, which is recommended plan, so with this plan, what you can do is you can create unlimited websites with unlimited storage and free SSL certificate and free domain name. Free domain name is with all of them. And if you want super fast website, then this plan is best for you. But if you are going to create a law website and you want to create other website also, so I would recommend you this plan, baby plan. So in future, if you want to create a website, you can just you can create website on the same hosting. You don't have to buy again and again. But here you will have to buy a hosting again. So to buy this, just click on buy now. Just go through link as I told you, the link is also in description, and click on buy now. Now here you just have to enter a domain name. Now let's suppose my company's name is Khadeem Law. I'll just hit enter. I'll just select extension, and I would recommend you to select Khadeem as .com as extension. And you can see this is the primary domain, and here you can see I am getting it for free for 1 year. Okay, so I am just getting this domain name just for free. And after selecting that, just go below and enter your select your plan, and also here you will have to select if you want to buy for 1 year, 2 year or 3 year. Now if you will buy for 1 year, you will get it for with a 58% discount if you will use my coupon, and you will go from my link. And if you will buy it for 2 years, then you will get 61% off, and for 3 years you will get 64% off. Okay, so that's the beauty of this web hosting. So now what you will have to do is just go below and select the one of them. I will recommend you to go with that. Enter your email addresses here, enter your email address, password, and set up a pin here. And after setting up a pin, what you will have to do is you will just have to select your payment method here, credit card, debit card or PayPal, and enter your other information, contact information, etc. here, and just go below. And what you will have to do is just go there and replace Snappy with Khadeem64 to get 64% off on this web hosting, because domain name is for free, so you are not going to get any discount. And here you can see you are getting about, you are saving about $250 for 3 years. Now you are getting this web hosting and domain name at $391 for 3 years, but now you are getting it if you when you have used my coupon code, you are getting it at $140.93 for 3 years. Okay, so just check this one and click on checkout now. I will not go to checkout because I have already bought the hosting, and I just don't want to use now, and I just don't want to buy it again because it's not my need. And you will have to enter your payment details and website name, etc. And you just have to skip most of the steps, and you just have to select the WordPress as a default CMS and install it. Or you can just go to there after buying it. You can just go to their live chat and just ask them that install WordPress on my website, and in your Gmail account you will get a link to this page. This is the WordPress dashboard where we'll be creating the website. So let's just finish the previous part and just let's go to creating the website. So that's how our website is looking right now, and that's how we want to create we want our website to be, with about section, our services, blog section, contact us section, and we just want our website to be like that. So first of all, to create this website, we will need to install a WordPress theme on our website. So how to install it? Just go to your dashboard, which is at your website.com/wp admin, and this is because I have installed in a subdirectory folder, but for you it will be yeah, like your company's name is expertglobal.com, and it would be after that slash wp admin. Okay, so just go to appearance and go to themes, and after going there, what you will have to do is you will just have to go to add new. Just go to add new and just search here hello Elementor. Search for hello Elementor, because we are going to create this website using hello Elementor, and install this WordPress theme. And this is not a premium WordPress theme, this is just for free, and just activate this WordPress theme, and the theme installation and activation is done. So here we have installed that WordPress theme, and now we'll move on to installing required plugins. Now to install the required plugins, what you have to do is you will just have to go to plugins and go to add new, and you will need to install two plugins. First one is Elementor and second one is Envato Elements. So just go there and just search for Elementor. Elementor is a website builder with which we'll be creating this website, and just install it. And after installing it, just search for Envato Elements. And here Envato Elements is also listed, and just click on install now, and Envato Elements would be installed. And now what you have to do is, after installing them, just go to installed plugins. And now here you can see the plugins are installed. Now you just have to select all these plugins you have installed and just click on activate, and just apply, click on apply, and all the plugins would be activated here. So it would take some time to be updated, but it would be updated. So these plugins would be updated within a matter of few seconds, and you can see the plugins are now updated. Now it's time to create pages, but to save your time, I have already created those pages, and you can just download them and import to your import these pages, web pages, to your website. To do that, what you have to do is you just have to go to webifiedhub.com/etk pages, and link to that is also in description below, so you can also go to that link, and you just have to download this file from Google Drive, which is etkpages.xml, and you just have to download that file from here. Just click on download, and after that just click on download anyway, and your file will be downloaded on your computer. So it would take some time to get processed, and my processor is also a bit slow, so that's why it's causing problems. You know, it's not slow, but there are some heavy softwares running there, so that's why I think so it's slow. So I'll just replace it, and you just have to simply download it. I am replacing it due to I already have that file. And after downloading that file, what you have to do is you just have to go to your dashboard, go back to your dashboard, and here from your dashboard just go below and just go to tools and go to import. And after going to import tools, what you will have to do is you will just have to go below and just under WordPress hit install now. And after it is installed, WordPress importer is installed, just click on run importer. And after clicking on run importer, what you will have to do is just wait and watch. It's taking a lot of time, I think. So after that, just click on choose file, and after clicking on choose file, here just select that file you downloaded from Google Drive. I have just prepared for you. Just hit open and click on upload and import, and after clicking that, you will be given that page, and you just have to select the user and just click on just check that and just click on submit, and your pages will be imported into your WordPress website automatically. So just go to pages and go to all pages, and now what we'll have to do is we'll just have to clear all that pages. Okay, so the pages we need and pages we don't need, I will just have to clear those pages. So I don't need this page, I don't need this page, and I also don't need this page also, and I also don't need this page. So I'll just select all these pages. I'll just hit bulk action, move to trash, and just apply, and all the unnecessary pages are moved to trash. Now which pages do I need? First one is home page, I have that home page, and the second one is about page, I have that about page, and the third one is is this services page, and I have that services page, and I have also blog and contact us pages. So we don't need our team page also, and there are not other pages, unnecessary pages. So all of this is done. All of it is done. I think about us, our services, contact us, and all pages are done. And I'll just click on move to trash and apply, and we have created all the pages. So our pages are created, and if you want to change the title of these pages or slug of like link of these pages, just click on quick edit, and here you can just change the slug and title of the pages very easily. So now we have just imported or we can say created the pages for our website, and now we'll see how our website is looking right now. So that's how our website is looking right now. And one thing more you will just have to do is you will just have to go to settings and just go to reading, and we'll just have to set home as our default page. Just select home as default page and blog as post page, and just hit enter. Just save this, just save this one, and it's that simple. Now that we have set up almost all the things, now one thing only is left, that is the last thing in regarding structure, and then we'll just focus on the design of the website. And you can see the time left, and in the time left we'll just convert this website into this one, sorry, this one. So we'll convert the website, this website, into this one. So the what is the last step in structures? Let's just go to appearance. We'll just have to set up the menus. Like there, here you can see home, about, our services, contact us, etc. So we'll just go to appearance, we'll just go to menus, and what we'll have to do is after going to menus, we'll just create a new menu because we don't have any menus created yet. So name it header menu, and select display location header, and click on create menu. And after clicking on create menu, just go to view all and add all the pages from here, all the pages, and click on add menu. And after clicking on add menu, just click on save menu, and the menu will be saved. And now let's just check what's the difference here. So if we'll reload our website again, so that's the difference here. We have now a menu, and we can just navigate between pages. And now we are going to work on structure of design of the website, and we'll just design the whole website within about 15 minutes. Not 15 but 20 minutes, about 20 minutes plus, but you can see the time. So first of all, to create this type of website which is already designed, we just need to buy this template kit, which is a premium template kit. So what you will have to do is you will just have to go to link in description below, or you can just type in webifydhub.com/solutions, and just go to that link, and you will be redirected to the landing page of that template kit. And if you can go directly, but if you will go from my link, you will get some special discounts and offers. So I'll recommend you to go from my link, and just go to that link, and this you will get this template kit just only for $24. But it's too cheaper. But just imagine that you are getting a template kit at $24, and you are getting that hosting that is that really take resources. You are getting that hosting at about $50 per year. So that's the beauty of that hosting. And let's just move on to our topic. So it's only $24. So just click on add cart, and go to checkout. Now click on go to checkout, and you will be redirected to the checkout page. So here we come at the checkout page. Now they will just ask you to enter your personal details, billing details, as well as contact information and email address. But they are not asking me because I am already their user, and I have already created a dummy account for these videos. So I'll just click on edit, and will just show you the interface, how it looks. So that's how it looks, and you will also have to enter email, etc. and just fill in all your information here, and click on save and continue. And at the end of the day, you will have to add a payment method to pay them $24. You can pay with PayPal, Skrill, or Mastercard, Visa card, or American Express. So you can just go with that. And also after doing that, after you have paid them, you just have to go to this account section and just go to downloads, and the file that we need will be available there, and you just have to download that file in your computer. And after that, what you have to do, let's just go to next section and explore. and now I don't have that file because I have not bought that. I have, this is my dummy account, so you a file will be available. You just have to download it, and after you have downloaded it, what you have to do is you just have to go back to your admin panel, sorry, WordPress dashboard, and just go to Elements and install kits. And after going there, what you have to do is you just have to here you just have to click on upload template kit zip file, and after clicking there, you will be a new window will be opened, and here you just have to select the template kit you just downloaded, and which is this template kit. Let me just check it. And here you go, this is the template kit file. So just click on this template kit file and click open, and this template kit file will be uploaded onto your website within a matter of few seconds. So now that you can see, the template kit file is imported, and it is asking me to, there are 3 requirements that need installing for this template kit. So you just have to install some required plugins. So just install all the required plugins, and these are plugins are must for creating website working. So you just have to install them, and it's not difficult, it's just easy. I didn't did anything. I just click a hit, I just make a hit on button, and now what you have to do is you just have to import this one, global kit styles, and don't just mess with other stuff. Leave it as it is, and we'll just work on it. Okay. So now we have installed, bought and installed the template kit successfully. Now I'll check how our website is looking right now, and then we'll just start creating the pages and headers and footers. And first of all, now that's how our website is looking right now. And what's the difference between this side and this side? This is just crap, and this is just beautiful. So first of all, we'll just create a header like that. First of all, we'll just create a menu and header like that, and then we'll just create these this menu, and after that we'll just focus on this inner content. But first of all, we'll just focus on header and footer, and from them we'll just first of all focus on the header. So now to build the header of the website like this one, oh sorry, yep, this one, what we'll have to do is we'll just have to go to Elements Kit, and we'll just go to header footer, and after going to header footer, you will see this type of like template, and just hit add new, and select header entire site, and here you can see here you can select header, click activate, and click on save changes. And after clicking on save changes, your template is now saved, and you it is active now, and you just have to edit it now. Okay, so I'll just reload it, and you will see no there is no change in your website, but it's changed. So now just click on edit, click on edit content, and here you can see the Elementor is loading, and you will be able to edit the header of the website, and you are just doing it for free. This feature was just available in Elementor Pro, which is too costly, but you can get that Elementor Pro to easily create pop-ups, etc. if you will watch this full video till the end. And but we are doing it using Elements Kit Lite. If these things are sounding just technical, so leave them. So after going there, just click on this white leaf with green background, and just go to solutions, and I'll just go below and just go there. I'll just zoom that in. So now it's looking fine. And now what you have to do is you will just have to look for header, and it is header 1 and header 2. So look for the header you want to import. This one is the header we just saw there, and this header is getting imported now. So it would take some seconds to get imported, and it would be imported within few seconds. Now you can see the header is imported. Now we'll just click on update to make to update it, and within a matter of few seconds it would be updated. And now we'll see how our website is looking right now. And here you can see we have the header updated, and now we'll have to change the address, we have to change the phone number and all that stuff. Elementor is nothing technical. Elementor is not rocket science. It's a lot easy. You just have to click on that element, just go there and just edit the stuff. Now if you want to change the text here, just add any text here. I'll just reset it because I'm just adding a lot, dummy text, or you can link it with also, and you can go to styles, or you can just change the spaces, or you can change icons, colors and text, etc. If you want to change them, like I want to change the color of the text to red, I can change it. I want to make it white, I can make it, and it's a lot easy. Drag and drop, just click there, and here you can just edit the links, etc., things, etc. Now go there, and here you can just set it as Khadeen's Law. So how it feels, and Khadeen's Law. Okay, so this is the website I just built, and the header I just built. And to change the menu here, you can go and you can change the menu and just edit the button from here. You can also edit the button here. You can add the link, and you can also add internal links if you have Elementor Pro, and you can just select internal URL, and just go there and type is content, and here just select it contact, and you will find contact page, and you can just directly link to it. So you don't have problem if you will change the link of that page. You don't have a problem with that also. So that's the header which is built. I'll just update it, and it is completed. And if you want to add a logo here, you can just simply delete it and add a logo here. So how to add a logo here? Just add image here and choose image, upload your logo, and your logo will be uploaded, but I will not do it right now. And that's all. Now we have created the header. Now we'll just work on footer. I'll just go back to admin panel. And now we are back at this admin panel, and we'll just again go to header footer. And after going to header footer, what we'll have to do is we'll just have to repeat the process. Just name it footer, and select this one as footer and activate it. Click on save changes and click on edit content, and that's simple. That simple it is. It's not a rocket science. So it would be edited, it would be redirected within a few seconds. So here we are at Elementor footer. So here we edit the footer and add the footer files there. Now we are at footer section. I am just skipping the parts because the time is less, and it is taking a lot of time because of my internet connection. So I just did it. Okay, so again click on that white leaf with green background, and you will be redirected there. And yeah, the screen size is okay, and click on view install kit. And after clicking on view install kit, you will see all the templates here. Now look for the footer here. Now here is the footer, and just click on insert template, and the footer template would be inserted. And with the same process, you just have to edit your footer as you edited your header. It would take some time to get imported because it has some CSS JS files. So it is imported now. You simply what you simply have to do, you just have to change this text, or you can add logo here. You just have to simply change this text easily, and just change this text. And if you want to change the links, you can change the links here. And also here it is the menu. You can also change the menu here. It's easy. It's that if you have Elementor Pro, then you can just add from there. But if you don't have that one, and if you will watch this video, you will get it. Okay, so you can just add the link manually to the services page. Okay, and here's the newsletter, and it is already set it up, and that's all. And you just have to click on update, and your footer will be updated. Here I'll just make it a little different. Khadeen's Law. Oh, Khadeen's Law. Okay, so I'll just make it a bit different, so I'm not just copying the website. So here you can see it is updated, and now I'll just refresh it. I'll just reload the website, and here now you can see we have header and footer, and between it we'll just add the content. Now how to add the content between that, now that's our next hurdle. And you can see the time, and within that time we'll just create the complete website. We'll just complete the website, and your complete website is ready to show it to your client. Now first of all we'll just edit the home page, then about page, then contact, then services, and then blog. So first of all let's just move on to home, and if you want to change the alignment of these pages you can just go to menus here and you can change the alignment very easily. How to change it, let me just tell you, and then we'll just move on to the pages, but first of all that is required. Okay, so just go there and just select this one, and you can just do drag and drop, and I'll just make it this one and this one. Okay, so I'll just click on save menu, and after saving menu the alignment will be changed, and here you can see now the alignment of the website has been changed, the menus has been changed, and now it's looking good, more good. So now first of all we'll edit the home page. How to edit the home page, just go to home page and just click on edit with Elementor, but I'll just open it in new tab because I just don't want to lose this page, so I'll just go to next page. Okay, so here I am and Elementor is loading, and after Elementor is loaded then I'll just import the demo, and that's all. That would be all, and we'll just edit the home page. So here it is, the home page is loaded. Just repeat the process, click on that white leaf and go to solutions, and after going to solutions just check out for home page, and I will just install home. Which home I'll install? I'll just install home 2. Okay, I'll just install home 1. So this I just checked it, this is actually home 1, so I'll just insert this template and just click on insert, and it would take about less than a minute to get imported, and after it is imported we'll just continue the process. So here you can see the home demo is imported, and here you can see our whole website is imported now, and what we just have to do, we just have to replace the text and we just have to replace the images, and that's all. So if you have any image you can just add one of yours here from just go to styles, and you can just add one of your image if you want, and if you want to change text just click there and you can change text, and if you want to change the style or fonts just go to styles, and you can just go to typography and change the text styles, etc. And this is the best style, so I would not work on that. And if you need any help regarding Elementor, like if you want to know basics of Elementor, you can just go to YouTube and type in Elementor tutorial. You will find a 10 to 15 minutes tutorial in which you will master Elementor. Okay, so the basics of Elementor, and now after that there is a button, the same is the case. You just have to click on that button, and here you can just edit the link. You can edit that logo, sorry, icon here if you want to change the icon. If you want to change the color you can also change it, and you can change all the stuff. And if we'll just go below, and the button is the same case, and if you want to change this one you can change it, and if you want to change the background color you just have to select this section, just click there, and this is to edit a section, and just click there and just go to styles, and you can edit the background color. And here you want to edit the video, just click there. So here we have the video, just click on edit video, and here you can just add the link to button which is the link to the video. So you can add a link to that video, and if you want to change the background image you can just easily change the image also. Just go to styles, and here you can just change the image also. And if you want to change this one you can just click on change column and change the column, and you can also change the background image. And here you can just change the services. You can just change the icon from here, from icon library you can add any icon here, and also you can just change the text, and if you want to add any description you can also add description here. So that's how it's easy, and you can also just change the all the things with just drag and drop. With the same is the case here. To change the background image just click on there and just go to styles, and you can change the images and their styles. And you can also, if you want to make it fixed, like suppose you want to make it fixed, just go there and attachment fixed. Now let's just see how it looks. Oh, that's how it looks now. So that's the beauty of Elementor. You can just easily change it, and you can also change the these text and all the stats, and with the same is the case with other stuff. And here you can just change the logos also, each logo by one by one. And here you can change the testimonials. To change testimonials just hit testimonials, and select item 1, change it, select item 2, change it, and at the last you have these two things. First one is this one. Here you can change your in contact info, and here you can just add your address. Just click on this edit button, and here add your location. I'll add it Sargodha, and it would just move me to Sargodha, Pakistan. So it would move me to that Sargodha city. The map would be moved there, and that's all. So our home page is now set it up, and just click on update, and your page is updated. And now we'll check how our website is looking right now. So here our page is updated, and we'll just refresh our website. Just hit refresh, and here you can see our website is updated now, and it is the same website as you watched in the demo, and here you are getting it. Now the same is the cases with other page like services page, contact page, and about page, but blog page is little bit different, and I'll just tell you about in next. Now go to services page and repeat the process. Just go to services page, hit the edit with Elementor, and after hitting edit with Elementor, just hit edit with Elementor, and after hitting that, you will be redirected to the page builder, which is a services page, in which you will build the services page. You will not build it, but you will import it from a template kit. So after it is loaded, the Elementor is loaded. So here the services page is loaded. Just click on this white element, Envato elements, and go to view installed kits in solutions, and here just select the services template. So this is the services template. Just click on insert, and it would be inserted, and you just have to till it's importing. Let me just tell you, the blocks are the same. All the pages are built with same blocks, so you just have to apply the same techniques. These are not techniques, but the same tips to same steps to just edit the things. So and the process is with same, and I'll just edit the services page, and then I'll just move on to blog. I'll not edit contact and other pages because the process is the same, and you can just do the same with other pages. Okay, so you just have to after it is imported, it's taking a lot of time to get imported. So here you can see our services section is imported. You just have to don't change it. So you just have to change your services, and in learn more button you can just link to your profile, or you can just link your WhatsApp, your email, or anything else, and or you can just remove it, and you just have to add services. Now if you have 6 services and there are 3 sections only, what you can do is you can just duplicate this section. Now how to duplicate this section? Just click on this section and just click there and duplicate it. Now you have 2 sections, and you can add more services here with the same process. Okay, and to edit it, you can just edit the images here, you can just edit the text here, and you can also edit the heading here. Okay, and below you can edit the same or the process, and here here are the things, and to duplicate them you can also do the same process. You just have to click on duplicate, and it would be duplicated. Okay, and if you want to increase or decrease the percentage, here you can see percentage meter, you can increase or decrease, and that's all. Change the contact information and hit update, and you just have to do the same process. You just have to do the same with others. Now you have services page changed, so I will just go there. I'll just go to website, that the main page. First of all, I'll just go to home page, and then I'll just go to services page. How our services page is looking right now. So here is the page with ID 15. So here's our how our page is looking right now, similar to the demo. Okay, so now to edit the blog, because here if you will see, if you will just go to blog, it's not looking same as the blog offered by this template kit. Sorry, this preview. This preview is not even loading. So this is the blog offered by this preview, and that's how our blog is looking right now. Now what you have to do is you just have to go to this edit with Elementor. In edit with hover on edit with Elementor, and just go to theme builder, and you just have to go to theme builder, and just go to archive. No archive found. Okay, so what you have to do now is you just have to go back. Just go to WP admin, and after going to WP admin, your dashboard, I'll just go there. after going to your dashboard, you will just go to elements and just go to install kits. Here just go to install kits and just go to view install kits, and after going there, just import this blog 1 and this single post. So after these two of these are 100% imported. The blog 1 is imported and single post is getting imported. So you just have to import these two, and after these two are imported, again just go to theme builder with the same process. Now after just going to theme builder, just go to archive and just click on add. Just click on add new. Here you can see the add new button. Just click on this one and you will be redirected to an archive page. And after going there, you just have to delete this one and just click on publish, add condition, and click save and close. And after you have done this, what you just have to do is just have to go to this one, element, Envato elements. Now after going to Envato elements, just click on view install kits and after that just go below and go to this, look for blog 1 or blog 2, whatever you want, whatever you like, and just click on insert template. So here you can see it is imported, and now just click on update, and whenever you will post the blogs, then the layout would be same and the layout would be changed. And now just repeat the process for single post and just go to theme builder again. Now when you are at theme builder, now just go to single post and go to add new. Oh, it's already added. So here you can just go to add new, and after going to add new, you just have to repeat the same process as you did with blog 1, and you just have to repeat the same process. You just have to select it for single post, accept all archives, and you just have to import a single post template except that other one. Okay, so just first of all just click on publish, and click on add condition, and not all singulars but all posts here. Yep, so posts and all, and click on save and close, and just select this one, and here from here just go to view install kits, and from here import that single post. So click on this one and that single post would be imported. It would take a few seconds to get imported, and it would be imported, and click on update, and it is updated. So that's so now our website is completed, and you just have to, I didn't did something with the other pages like about and contact, because I want you to do some practical. So just do some practical on contact and about pages, and you just have to repeat the process and your pages will be created. Here you can see our pages are working 100% fine, and if you want to edit the page, you can just repeat the process. Just click on edit with Elementor. You can edit the header, you can edit the footer, and you can also edit this post one. Okay, and you can just go to other pages also. And what's next? So that's all about the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, but I just forgot how to get those $1,000 worth tools just for free. So let's just tell you that how you can get that. To get those through 300, no, not 300, here it is written 300, but these are now when I saw your love, I just upgraded it, added more tools, and made it $1,000 worth tools. So if you want to get those tools, just go to link in description below, and what you have to do is you just have to type in your email address, your name, and you just have to perform 2 actions. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, comment down below the video, and buy a hosting from my link, HostGator or Bluehost, or buy a WordPress theme or plugin from my link. And you just have to perform two of them, and after that just take a screenshot of that and click on add file and upload the screenshots. And here you can add any message for me, personal message for me, and here you can just add Instagram or WhatsApp for further contacts, and I will give you access to these tools, these $1,000 worth tools within 24 hours. So that's all about the video. If you like the video, just like and share to other people, and thank you so much for watching the video. If you need my services regarding that, I would appreciate it, and I would love your support, and just you can join our private group also. That's all about the video. And if you need any like marketing services for this, like WhatsApp chat, SEO, social media, YouTube SEO, or any services, I am always here for you. You can just contact me out. And thank you so much. So see you in next video, and don't forget to contact me if you